In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add weight to Shopify products. Whether you're just starting out with your online store or looking to optimize your shipping calculations, understanding how to accurately add and adjust product weights is crucial for your business operations. This helps in ensuring your shipping rates are precise and cost-effective, which ultimately enhances the overall customer experience. Let's begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, you want to navigate to the Products section located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of all the products currently available in your store. Take a moment to locate the specific product for which you'd like to add or update the weight. If your list is extensive, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find the item you're looking for. Once you've found the product, click on its name to open the product editor page. Here, you're able to manage various details about the product. Scroll down until you reach the pricing section, because typically, right below that, you'll find a subsection labeled Shipping. This is where the magic happens. Within this section, you'll see a field named Weight. If your product's weight is already displayed, feel free to edit it as needed. If not, this is where you need to input the accurate weight of your product. It's important to note the unit of measurement options usually include grams, kilograms, pounds, or ounces. Make sure you select the correct unit to prevent any discrepancies during checkout. After entering the weight, remember to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button. This step is crucial as it ensures all your adjustments are securely stored within your Shopify system. Now, you've successfully added or updated the weight for your product, which will play a pivotal role in determining the shipping costs calculated at checkout. Before wrapping things up, there are a couple of pointers to keep in mind. Consistency is key. If your product catalog is extensive and includes items of varying weights, it's beneficial to establish a standard unit of measurement to use across all products. This consistency aids in avoiding confusion and simplifies the shipping process. Lastly, periodically reviewing and updating product weights can be a worthwhile practice, especially if you're dealing with inventory that may change over time. For instance, if a supplier updates a product or you switch to new packaging materials, these changes can affect the total weight. Staying on top of these details keeps your shipping costs accurate and maintains customer satisfaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've ensured your Shopify store's product listings are detailed and precise, leading to more accurate shipping rates and a smoother shopping experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your online store.